Curb ramp locations, 406.5. Curb ramps and the flared sides of the curb ramp shall be located so that they do not project into vehicular traffic lanes, parking spaces, or parking access aisles. Can't have this built curb ramp stick out into the vehicular way. Curb ramps at marked crossings shall be wholly contained within the markings, excluding flared sides. Here's the markings, the ramps within it. Don't really care too much about these flares, the ramp, because that's where I should be traveling down.
A lot of times we'll see builders will put the ramp into the parking lot or put the ramp into the access aisle, into the vehicular lane. And they're like, oh, well, it's compliant. It's like, no. The ramp can't be in the parking lot. It has to be separate.
It used to be allowed, but that's a long time ago. They are not allowed to be in a vehicular way. And the parking spaces and access aisle are considered to be part of the